Mindset is everything. So I want you guys to write that down. Mindset is everything. 80% statistic shows 80% of change happens in your mind. 20% is the actions that you will take.
You can have it all. That's my belief. And if you don't believe that, you can borrow my belief today. Each and every one of you can have it all in life, can have success, whatever your success is, whatever the definition of success is for you, because everybody's definition is different. But you can be happy. You don't want 10 years down the line, 5 years, next year to come around and you're not feeling fulfilled and happy and having that peace and joy. And I want you to know that each and every one of you can create that joy and happiness that you also deserve. Hi, my name is Racquel Walters, and I know that you're looking for a captivating speaker that will grab your audience's attention every step of the way throughout the entire keynote. I want you to know that I'm that speaker you've been looking for. Not only will I educate your audience, I will empower them, entertain them, and most importantly, engage them in the discussions that we'll be having. And I want you to know that your audience will leave my room feeling inspired and encouraged and feeling that they can do anything that they set out to do in this world. I want you to know that I'm also very vulnerable and I'm not afraid to share my vulnerability because I do believe that vulnerability is power, and that's what your audience need to inspire them.
We've been talking about mindset though. If you're a woman and you feel like you're having it all, but you're sacrificing your own happiness, there are 3 saboteurs that are holding you back from having and living and feeling and being happy. What beliefs do you have about yourself that may be hindering your success and your happiness? Who wants to share? Okay, go ahead.
I have to put others first.
Put others first.
Almost like a fear of success.
That's a great one. So you fear having success.
Because then you have to do everything that goes around with it. Like, let's say you have a book that comes out, you gotta go all around and go to these book signings and this responsibility.
So you're overwhelmed, automatically overwhelming yourself instead of breaking it down in bite-sized action steps.
I can't even get past the first or the second one because I'm scared of the third.
Yes.
So I can't even think about getting past my beliefs or my feelings because I know what's at the end of if I do it this way, how it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
And the feeling that you are meant to do something in this world,
that you will come out with insight. You will start looking at your own life. You will start to make an assessment or take an assessment of it. And then you will come up with some mindset shifts and some action steps that you can start taking to implement in your life so that you can create more space for things that you want to do, free time, me time, self-care time, whatever you want to call it. And then you can start living your life on purpose. And you can be and feel genuinely happy each and every day when your feet hits that ground when you wake up in the